aircraft, a helicopter design is not aerodynamic. In case of an engine failure, an aircraft would perhaps glide for some distance, perhaps to safety, not a helicopter. Look at its shapes. If the rotor pauses, so does the lifeline of the pilot. Pure risk. And now imagine carrying out an aerobatic maneuver using a helicopter. That would be an extreme proof of the machine's capability and equally demanding of the pilot's skill. Put your imagination to the rest. Hold your breaths as you will witness now the Made in India helicopter carrying out some extreme maneuvers. She will exhibit the two divers method in which two divers will be winched down on the same strap. Ladies and gentlemen, give a thunderous round of applause to the Made in India beauty and make sure the pilots hear your applauses, even the roar of our rotors.
That's gonna be difficult.
Now the advanced light helicopters is demonstrate the teardrop maneuver and corkscrew maneuver. She will also exhibit a single engine turn and drop maneuver wherein the helicopter will show how in case of failure of an engine she can easily recover and move on.